Hi Virgo, welcome back to Ivy Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and if this message resonates with you, please consider supporting the channel by clicking subscribe and hit the notification bell, and also let me know in the comment section on how the message resonates with you. By doing so, you will also be eligible for monthly giveaway reading, which I'll be doing towards the end of the month every month. If this message doesn't resonate with you Virgo, please consider checking your moon, your rising or your Venus sign. You may also check the general collective energy reading for June that I've put the link down below in the description box. Alright, without further ado, let's get into your reading. So the first card that fell for you here Virgo is the Lovers card, followed by the Four of Cups and the Six of Wands coming up for you here. So you could be dealing with a Gemini or someone with a strong Gemini in the chart, but with this, the Lovers card coming up as the first card here Virgo, I'm getting that this is definitely a divinely guided partner that is going to be in your life, or that's already been in your life here. With this Four of Cups here, I do feel like there could be lots of regret surrounding the situation. I do feel like at this point of time you could just be overthinking this whole situation here. If there was a separation between the two of you here, you could be like kind of thinking, okay, what have you done, what could you do? You basically like kind of thinking on what if, surrounding the what if in this whole situation here Virgo. And the next card that I've got for you here is the Six of Wands. This is basically an indication that the relationship that you will be having with this person will definitely be moving forward into a much more victorious ground and positive ground here Virgo. The bottom of the deck that I've got for you here is the King of Wands. So you could be dealing with a fire sign or someone with a strong fire in their chart, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. The next card that I've got for you here is the Six of Pentacles. So I do feel like at this point of time the relationship is kind of balanced. So I do feel like this person is someone who is financially balanced, mentally balanced, as well as emotionally balanced as well. I'm getting this energy of someone who likes to give, who someone likes to doing charity here, someone who likes to help people here Virgo. And the next card that I've got for you here is the Seven of Wands, which is an indication of persevering. So I do feel like this person is kind of keep going to pursuing you, or kind of like checking out on you. I do feel like with this Page of Swords here, I do feel like this person is definitely keeping a tab around you here Virgo. I don't think this person is someone who basically going to give up too easily or too quickly here. I do feel like this person is definitely going to try the best to get you here Virgo. The next card that I've got for you here is the Queen of Wands coming up again for you. So I do feel like this is definitely, you could definitely be dealing with a fire sign here. This Queen of Wands for me is an indication of someone who is has a lot of passion, has a lot of compassion towards you here Virgo. With this Queen of Wands also, what I'm getting here is that this person could be someone who is a little bit stubborn or hot temper all together here. The bottom of the deck that I've got for you here is the Ten of Swords. So I do feel like if this is someone who you was with here, I do feel like there could be some kind of a fight or conflict between the two of you here, because the Five of Swords almost fell out, and now I've got the Five of Wands as well. So there could be lots of fights or lots of misunderstanding between the two of you here in the past. That I do feel like I do feel like both of you are finally realizing that despite all this fight, despite all these minor arguments, yeah, I've got the Tower card coming up for you here. So there's definitely a conflict or a breakup, or basically a major shift that is actually happening between you and this person here. So I do feel like despite of all this thing that is currently happening between you and your person here Virgo, I do feel like they're finally realizing that, okay, this is the person that I want to be with. They're basically finally realizing that you you are the one that they want to be with here. I've got the Ten of Pentacles coming up for you here. So I do feel like they have come to a realization that they want to reconcile with you. This Ten of Pentacles is also an indication of happy home, happy family, happy relationship. And the bottom of the deck that I've got for you here is the Death card. You could be dealing with a Scorpio or someone with a strong Scorpio in their chart. But at this point of time, I do feel like they're just currently being up in their ego. I do feel like I do feel like they would rather watching you instead of just approaching you and and just have a communication with you here Virgo. I do feel like their ego is basically what's stopping them at this point of time to come towards you here. Wow, the next card I've got for you here is the Ten of Cups. So I've got two tens here, Ten of Pentacles and the Ten of Cups. So They finally come to a realization that you are the person that they need to be with. You are the person that will give them emotional fulfillment and fulfillment in all levels here. It's just that at this point of time, whether they want to come towards you to talk to you here or not here. And once again, I've got the star card. I've been getting a lots of star card here for the month of June 2020 reading. This star card could be an indication of you could be dealing with a strong Aquarius, or someone who has a strong Aquarius in their chart here. Virgo. This star card is also an indication of emotional healing that will be coming up between you and your person. Again, the month of June is basically the month for a lot of healings here, and I've got the World card coming up for you here. This is basically an indication of a completion of a chapter. So yeah, I do feel like all this fight, all this tower moment that happened between you and your person has come to a completion, and this is basically the time for healing. I do feel a lot of healing that is going to take place in general for everyone in the month of June here. The next card that I've got for you here is the Three of Pentacles. So I do feel like you have finally coming up to a decision, that both of you will be coming up to a decision that, okay, this is what I want, let's reconcile, let's have a talk, let's rebuild this relationship from a much more stable and stronger ground here. I do feel like there is going to be a clarity, there's going to be a talk about that here. The bottom of the deck that I've got for you here is the Ace of Swords, which is an indication of a clarity and honest communication opening up will be coming up between you and your person here, Virgo. The next card that I've got for you here is the Four of Wands, which is once again the card for reconciliation coming up here, Virgo. So yeah, the bottom of the deck that I've got for you here is the Sun card. So overall, I'm getting a lot of happiness coming up for you here. I do feel like both of you might have come to a realization, might come to a decision. Okay, let's work on this. Let's give it another try. Let's work on this, and I want to be with you. That kind of energy that I'm getting for you here, Virgo. And I do feel like when it comes during the summer season, especially with the Sun card, I do feel like this is when things are going to pick up for you and your person here, Virgo. And for the advice card, once again, I've got the Ten of Pentacles coming up from you. So wow, this is really amazing reading here, Virgo. I do feel like this is just someone who wants to be married. Wow. Just as I said, this person wants to marry you. I've got the Four of Wands coming up together. But yeah, I do feel like this person wants to have a family with you here. They finally realize what mistake that they have made for leaving you here, and they basically see you as someone who is emotionally mature, someone who has lots of love to give here. Well, we've got Ten of Pentacles coming up twice, as well as Four of Wands coming up twice here. So this is basically an indication that your divinely guided partner here, Virgo, this is someone who you will be with, someone who you will have a happy home, happy family. This person is definitely your wish fulfillment here, Virgo. The bottom of the deck that I've got for you here is the Ten of Wands. So at this point of time here, I do feel like your person is just currently feeling overwhelmed and overburdened. I do feel like they're feeling like they're carrying the weight of the world in their shoulder here at this point of time here, Virgo. But there's definitely going to be a reconciliation. Your person is definitely going to come towards you with a clarity, with a communication, with a honest and open communication here, that they want to be with you and they choose to be with you, and you are basically their wish fulfillment here, Virgo. The bottom of the deck that I've got for you here is I wish I could talk to you right now, which is making me think that there's definitely no communication, or little to no communication between you and your person here. The channel message that I've got for you, Virgo, is I'm so sorry for hurting you, and explore your creative side. So your person definitely knows that they have hurt you, and they want another chance, because they're basically seeing you as their wish fulfillment. They're basically seeing you as someone they want to be with. They're basically seeing you as someone they can have a happy home, happy family with here, Virgo. Alright, that's it for your monthly June 2020 reading. I hope the reading resonates. If it does, please don't forget to subscribe and let me know in the comment section on how the message resonates with you. I'll see you in my next video. Have a good day, stay safe and be blessed. Bye bye.